How you feeling today? Good. I'm good. Well, on your belly, facing down. Deep breath. Breathe. Good. Other side. You partying on New Year's?
Yeah, probably not.
Probably not. On your back, face up. You're too old for that.
No.
Relax. Ooh, wiggle your toes. Relax. Wiggle. Ooh, okay. Done. How's that feel?
That was good.
Anything else for you today?
No.
All right. Well, enjoy your weekend.
Thank you.
I will see you next time. So you're ready to party for New Year's?
I don't know. I feel like I've been nonstop
Three. Other side.
since I've been on work, so I just need to. What about you?
No, nothing. I think family's coming over. They'll probably be passed out before the ball drops.
Yeah.
Right.
And that's normally how I am.
Plus, we got work the next day. Well, no, we don't. No, it's New Year's.